So now let's see how we can work around with Bleach bypass effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to apply Bleach bypass, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. Then I'm going to go around and scroll down over here until I find color grading. So I'm just going to go around over here. There's color grading right here. And the first effect that you see is Bleach bypass, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag it around over here on my clip, then you can see that it washes out the particular footage right here. So you can see that there's the preset. So you can go around and choose heavy or light bypass right here, or preset or strong. You can go around and change around the amount right here by using the slider over here, and change around the brightness over here just like this as well, and get the effect you want. You can also go around and change the luminosity, the intensity and lightness as you like right here. And this is the overall effect, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize the Bleach bypass effect right here. Apart from that, you can go around and see that there's Cine style as well. So if I were to go around and then drag it out over here on the footage, then you can see that you get the cinema style right here, just like this. You can go around and choose basic right here, or like basic letterbox, or make it grainy right here, and so forth. And then change around the S-curve right here to get more of the film look. Change around the color adjustment right here, just like this. Change around the exposure of the footage, the saturation, and change around the letterbox and so forth, as you can see right here. You can also add in greens right here, just like this, and enable and disable the vignette effect. So if I were to go around and press the play button, then this is what you have, as you can see. So you get the film-like effect by using the Bleach bypass and Cine style effect, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.